Let's unbox the Neelam electric bike and set it up from scratch. The packaging is sturdy and well labeled for handling. I'm carefully opening the box using scissors. Always make sure not to cut too deep. Inside, everything is securely protected with foam and wraps. We get the main bike frame, front wheel, mud guards, seat post, pedals, charger, and an assembly toolkit. I'm taking each component out and laying them neatly. It's great to see that Neelam has included all essential tools in the box, so no extra hardware is needed. The fittings align easily and tighten securely. The handlebar slots into place and locks with a simple clamp mechanism. The detachable battery clicks into position smoothly. Charging is straightforward, just plug it into a standard wall socket. Next, I'm attaching the mudguard front wheel. Slide it into the fork and tighten the quick release. And here's the bike fully assembled. The frame looks solid, the tires are chunky, and overall the build quality feels premium.